I am cooking a pork loin in the air fryer tonight. So I got one of these the other day and I paid about $5. Probably about $6. So this one's a little bit more, $8.04 for this. I am going to trim off some of this fat on the back and I'm going to cut it in half before I put it, because this is a little bitty air fryer. So I'm going to do that right now. Okie doke. I cut the fat off of this one, but not this one. This one was pretty thin fat, so I'm gonna get these in, start cooking. Okay, let's take a look. Ooh, that looks good. Thermometer's at 80. Needs to be at least 145. Why is that not 145? You know what I think I'm doing? I'm new to air frying. Yeah. I think I reached it earlier and I put it back in for a little bit and this wasn't on heating because I was less than 5 minutes. I don't know. What do y'all think? This is a Walmart $20 air fryer. But now I'm got to get it up to temp. It might have been there, but I don't know. Okay, this one is 153. I'm taking it out. This one's a little bigger, so I'm going to cook it some more. See, it's not on heating right now, so I'm thinking it's cooking when it's not. So, I need to watch that.
Yes, Jenna?
Catch it with your mouth full?
Mm-hmm.
So.
It's because it's so good. Look at that, how juicy and tender and perfect.
Yeah.
Look at all that juicy goodiness.
Juicy goodiness.
Oh my gosh.
How is it?
Perfection. Just perfection.
There's mine. Now I'm having a big salad. So, just a little bit of pork loin and a big quinoa salad.